Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to check your data balance on your Libara SIM. So let's get started. Option 1, open the My Libara app or log in at libara.com using your registered email and password. Your remaining data, calls, and texts will appear right on the dashboard. Option 2, dial star hash 1345 hash and press the call button. Your balance will show up on your screen instantly. Option 3, dial 5588 to hear your balance through an automated voice message. And that's it. That's how you check your data balance on your Libara SIM. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.